Hey y'all, it's your girl Delisha B, and today we are in where? Miami! So we just got here in Miami and we staying at the Confidante Hotel. Super cute, super nice. If you haven't stayed here before, it's a cute little hotel on South Beach, so you know, we like this. So we just here for a couple of days. Me, my mama, and my sisters. My mama over here taking pictures of herself. My sister over here. Everybody taking pictures of themselves, and I'm vlogging. Right now we just came and like checked out the pool stuff, see what it's looking like, and we're about to go find something to eat. And then I don't know what's after that, but we're gonna see what we're gonna eat. So I'm gonna check it out when we make it to some food, because honestly, really I'm not that hungry. It's only like, what time is it? It's only 11:30 and I don't normally eat breakfast, so I don't really eat until like 3. So I'm not pressed to eat, but like they eat breakfast and stuff, so we're gonna find them something to eat. So I'm gonna check y'all back when we find something to eat. And if it's something around here that we can go to. Let's go to Bistro Cafe, but we ended up saying we're gonna wait till in the morning, so I'm just happy to be in Miami again. I love Miami, girl. I'm gonna see y'all when I get something to eat. Bye bye.
Hey, wait, turn this shit up, man.
Watch this with what? She nasty. Wanna get with your
Damn. Shit on your face. You did it wrong. Ain't no way, my boy. Ain't no way, my boy. Put the camera on. They got on my face.
I've been ballin' for days. Switch gears, had to change lanes. You fuck with the boy, cause I always been the man. Don't expect none of these niggas to understand. I get 50 for a feature, I'm in high demand. I'm in Balenciaga, mixing with the Prada. Only got one night a weekend.
Y'all know I've been out of high school for 10 years. That's just too much, ain't it? Is that reason that you creeping behind me, ma'am? We stopped and got some wine, got some liquor. Gonna take a nap for a minute, then
I'm not sleepy.
I'm sleepy.
I am.
Why you ain't sleepy? You ain't tired of
Young
that?
girls can't hang.
You wanna go to the pool? Y'all see my little homemade lashes? I did it myself with the little Ardell glue, Ardell individual lash glue. They irritate my eyes, really. Like the actual lashes are irritating my eyes. So I want to take them off, but I can't get them off. So I'm hoping that if we go to the pool, they'll just like evaporate off my eyes.
Why you sitting on my bed?
I thought this was my bed. That was your bed.
I was in the bed by myself.
I booked the room. I found the room. So I get the bed by myself.
That's fine.
But I want to be by the window, so I guess I'll split over here. Y'all jealous because I get my own bed.
We're gonna let you pay for the room too.
Like hell, we better get on out of here, daddy. They ain't already charged my card, so it's really too late.
You recording me?
Green light, green light, green light, green light, green light. Green light, green light, green light, green light. You been giving 80, we need 20 more. We gon' raise a toast before we raise a sword. I see you been working, we been working more. Yeah, time to get it, we won't wait no more. Green light, green light, green light, green light, green light, go. Green light, green light, green light, green light, green light, go. Green light, green light, green light, green light, green light, go. Green light, green light, green light, green light, green light, go. It's the third time.
think about it, there's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you.
Oh, we got up this morning.
New.
Well, actually it's day 2 of Miami. We got up this morning and we went to get some breakfast, which I showed in the clip. Actually I didn't show y'all the breakfast because I tried to get a Caesar salad, but they didn't have no more Caesar dressing. So then I picked something else and I took forever to bring it out. It was like a croissant breakfast sandwich. It was pretty good. But we got that and now we're back at the hotel. We're sitting at the pool and I might get in the pool for a minute and then we're gonna go to the beach. We just connected to the hotel. So yeah, that's that. What about you, Jamie?
What you want me to say?
What you doing?
We're chillaxing on the beach. We're not on the beach yet. We're at the pool.
Not on the beach yet. We're going to the beach after this, I think. Well, for sure. I'm itching already. Just pool. Looking at pool water makes me itch. I got these braids, but I'm taking them down tomorrow. I think I'm taking them down Friday. I think I got some fries or something. I got a menu. Hello.
How are we doing here so far?
Do you have a menu, maybe?
Yes. You want to scan the menu right here?
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let's see what they got on their menu. Ceviche, a kale Caesar salad, carb salad, chicken sandwich, burger, a Cuban sandwich, turkey sandwich. I could have got a turkey club right here. $17. They got citrus glazed chicken wings. Oh look, they got the house and mac place here. There's a pool. You can get it. You can get it here. That's great. They got the jerk chicken mac and cheese. I want that.
Oh, yeah, let's get this.
We ain't got to get it this moment, then, because I'm not hungry. Okay. They got drinks. The drinks ain't that bad. They $16. A lychee margarita. A frozen lychee margarita. I'm getting that. And they got wine. They got all the good stuff. So, that's what's happening. I love Miami, though. I love coming here just for like a couple of days here and there. I don't really like being here for a long. I wouldn't want to be here for like a week, but I could definitely do Miami for like 2 or 3 days. But how you feel about that, Jamie? You feel like Miami's a place you come for a couple of days, right?
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to be here for a long time because I feel like everything is just overpriced. Nice, but overpriced. So yeah, come to like a little beach hotel, 2 or 3 days, and that's enough, girl. Go back home, girl, because the flights in here from New York are cheap as hell. So I come to Miami. This is my 2nd time here this year, and I wouldn't mind coming back again for the year out. All right, so we about to chill. I'll call y'all back if I get some drinks, even though I got a drink right here in my cup. We're not supposed to have this, but you know, if you know, you know, girl. We made us some Don Julio drinks. Put it in this cup. Hey. All right, call y'all back.
You want to call them back?
They know what I mean. I think I'm here laying out like they somebody. Look at them. Okay, that's very rude, unnecessary. All right, y'all, bye.
Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in the...
Good morning. That is Thursday, girl. We starting the vlog on Thursday, and that's okay because Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday I didn't do nothing. Actually, Monday I really didn't do nothing. Tuesday I just edited a video, and I edited a video which is already up on my channel, my Jamaica vlog. Stop this video here and go watch my Jamaica vlog and come back. It'll be above. It'll be in the cards. So I edited a vlog. I edited my Jamaica vlog, and I started making another video, which is coming later. So that's besides the point. And it was nothing to say. I was filming, but it wasn't for this. And then yesterday, I was having technical difficulties with uploading my uploading my Jamaica vlog, and it was just on the bullshit all day. It kept failing. And if you're a YouTuber or you make content or whatever, you know that sometimes it just does not go the way you want it to. I had to cut out a whole clip that was basically like it would upload up until that clip, and then it would like just fail. So I had to take out a chunk of my vlog because it just wasn't, the clip was corrupted or something. I don't know. But whatever, it doesn't matter now. It's up and it's done. But that kind of took up my whole day. And y'all, I got my period, and it took me out yesterday. The cramps have taken me out. Let me know in the comments if you are you in your late 20s. I'm 28, so I'm in my late 20s now, and I feel like it has gotten worse with years. Like when I was younger, like my period maybe was like 3 days, and it was only bad like the first day, and I'll like take 2 leaves and I'll be fine. Now it's like, it's still not long, it's still only like 3 or 4 days, but it's like the cramps are just terrible. It's not even cramps anymore, it's more back pain. Like I don't even really have a lot of stomach cramps, it's like lower back pain. It switched. It's just, you know, I mean, they say when you get older, like stuff start changing, you know, it's changing, girl. So maybe my body telling me, you know, you need to be trying to work on having that baby, but we not working on having no baby. So moving on to today, like I said, it's Thursday. I already went and got my Dunkin', girl. Got my caramel iced coffee with cream. Iced coffee, caramel, and cream. If you're a Dunkin' person, if you're a Dunkin' girl, a Dunkin' boy, you already know what's up. What's a Starbucks, boo? We Dunkin' over here. We team Dunkin'. So I just pulled up at Target because today we're going to be shopping for my bathroom. So basically just redecorating my bathroom. I need a new shower curtain liners, new organization for like me and my roommates, like products, basically like bath stuff that we have in there. Right now it's just like a hot mess. It's like we had another roommate that moved out, but he left all his stuff. So like getting rid of that stuff, getting some organization going. Really need a new rug. The problem is I can't really do a lot of decor in the bathroom because it's tiled all the way up. All the walls are tiled, so you can't really hang anything. But you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. So today we're gonna be doing that, shopping for that, and yeah. So we in Target. I'm at the shopping center where they have Target, they have Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Burlington's, it's a Nordstrom Rack. So if I can't find a shower curtain in all these stores, girl, I must not need one. So we about to go to Target first. I feel like they're gonna give me, I feel like Target's gonna have a lot of style options, and the other stores probably just have like white. So I also been sitting in the car running my mouth to my friend on the phone for like 30 minutes. I don't know why I'm procrastinating going in this store. I really don't want to go in here. There's too many people in here. But let's go. I don't think I'm going to take it out. I don't think I'm going to take this big camera in because, like I said, it's a lot of camera. But honestly, do I care? No, so let's go. Bye. So truly, I don't see nothing that I love in here. Like, they all look super plain. So they all like super plain. Like I really want something with like at least a little color, because our bathroom is just like white. Like the towels are white, everything is just white. So I really want something with like some color, but they're giving me nothing. I kind of like this one. Let me show y'all. It's like blue, like ombre from the top to the bottom, but this is not really the colors I really wanted to go with. So I don't know. Like I really like this, but like it wouldn't make any sense in my thing. So we could do like 2 of these, like one for me and one for him. These are kind of high. Like I should have went to Home Goods. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here because they don't have anything I'm looking for. This is a fail. I should have went. I'm going to another store. I'm just going to another store. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all in Marshall's, cause maybe they might have some better stuff, or TJ Maxx or Burlington, somewhere else, cause they ain't got shit in here that I like. And whose spot is that? Target. Ain't not gonna have what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next though. So it's just as I thought. All white, everything, and I don't want a white shower curtain. Like, all they have is white, brown, and white, and gray. Is this real? Okay. Next door, because obviously this one was a fail too. But I did see these little baskets that I maybe could get for like the windowsill. That's the only thing I saw. Other than that, it's giving fail again. Y'all, this gotta be a joke. This is all the shower curtains they have. These three. 1, 2, 3. What the hell? Now they do have a lot of like rugs. Like, but I don't even know. I can't buy a rug until I get a shower curtain. Right? Oh my god. I love this nightstand. $130. This is so nice. Like, wow. I love it. Okay, y'all. We made it to Home Goods. So I'm at a different shopping center now. This got Home Goods, TJ Maxx, maybe Marshalls, maybe. And you just go here see what they got. I have nothing so far. Sorry. I have nothing so far because ain't nobody got shit in these stores. But, ooh, y'all leaning in front of me. Her ass is juicy. It's giving BBL. It's giving big juicy booty, baby. Before I get to looking at shit I did not come here for, let me look for what I actually came in here for, and then I can come back. They got so many pillows. I'm getting overwhelmed. Oh my god. Look at this pillow. Oh my god. I need it. $25. But I feel like it's like very fall. Oh my god. I'm dropping shit on the floor, y'all. So I definitely should have came here first because they actually have a little colors. Not a lot, but okay. So we got these 4 options. We got white texture, this pattern, silver texture, and then gray. I think I'm leaning towards the silver. This one, because it's like really pretty. But then we get this one, $16.99. Yeah. These are fresh as hell. Y'all see these? I ain't got nowhere to put that, but that's fresh, for real. Like, wow, I love this. That shit is clean, baby. I love it. Okay, so this is my bathroom now. It's giving dusty, dirty. Not really dirty, but just not cute. So I want to snap my fingers, and it's going to be a brand new bathroom. And